What's up people, Skyware Entertainment's here. I am back with another video as usual. And today's topic is how you can get shaders and mods running in Minecraft Fabric this time. And as you can see, this is working. I have the replay mod running right here and shaders, so you can clearly see that this is working, and it's pretty easy to do, as you can see by the length of this video. So now let's get straight into the video. Alright guys, so before we start this video, I just wanted to quickly mention that in this tutorial, I will be assuming that you already have the Fabric loader installed. Now if you don't, I'll have a link to a video somewhere in the description down below explaining how to do that. So now let's get straight into the video. The first thing that you want to do is go ahead and download Optifine itself. Go ahead and go to optifine.net. I'll have a link in the description down below, and download the version of Optifine that you need. In my case, I'll do 1.16.4. Now you want to click on the mirror download over here, because as strange as this may sound, the download button is not the direct download. So go ahead and click on mirror and download this file. Now you also need to download OptiFabric, which essentially just makes all of this work. So I'll have a link to this website in the description down below. Huge thanks to the people that made this. So yeah, you just want to scroll down to here, find the Recent Files tab, or go to the Files tab over here, and download whichever version that you need. In my case, I have 1.16.4, and I'll download this here. And last but not least, you want to download the Fabric API if you don't already have it. So just go ahead and go to this website here. I'll have the link in the description down below as usual, and download it. You can go ahead and click on keep on all these files. They won't harm your computer. It's just the thing that Windows says. Alright, so once the files have downloaded, you just want to go ahead and click on the window key and then the R key, type in %appdata%, click on OK, find the .minecraft folder, and look for the mods folder. If you don't have a mods folder, then just make one, but make sure that it's all lowercase. Go ahead and paste all of these files here into the mods folder in the %appdata thing. So just grab all of these, drag them in here, and that is literally all you have to do. It's really simple. I'll just quickly show you proof that this works. Go ahead and open up your Minecraft launcher. Make sure that Fabric is over here and click on play. So once Minecraft has loaded, you can see down here that it says Optifine and Fabric modded down here. And I can show you proof that this works by loading into a world and showing you that I have the shaders and Fabric running. I don't unfortunately have any mods running at the moment, but this clearly works, as you can see. And if it worked for you, then please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. If it didn't work, comment down below and I'll try to answer your comment as fast as possible. So with that said, hope you enjoyed, and I'm out.